The ILIFE V3s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is here to lend a helping hand. Designed with pet owners in mind, this robotic vacuum cleaner offers tangle-free suction and a range of features that make cleaning effortless and efficient. With its slim design, automatic self-charging, and daily schedule cleaning capabilities, the ILIFE V3s Pro is an ideal solution for keeping your home pristine, especially if you have pets or live with allergies. Tangle-free suction for pet hair. The ILIFE V3s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with powerful suction that effortlessly captures pet hair and other debris from your floors. The unique tangle-free suction technology prevents hair from getting tangled around the brush, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. This feature is especially beneficial for pet owners, as it eliminates the hassle of frequently removing hair from the vacuum's brush and allows for continuous and effective cleaning. Slim design for accessible cleaning. With its slim profile, the ILIFE V3s Pro easily navigates under furniture, beds, and other hard-to-reach areas in your home. Its low height allows it to clean effectively where traditional vacuum cleaners struggle to reach. By accessing these often neglected areas, the V3s Pro ensures a thorough cleaning experience, leaving no corner untouched. Its sleek design allows it to effortlessly maneuver around obstacles, ensuring comprehensive cleaning throughout your living space. Automatic self-charging convenience. The ILIFE V3s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner takes care of its own charging needs, thanks to its automatic self-charging feature. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock, eliminating the need for manual intervention. This ensures that the vacuum is always ready for the next cleaning session. Whether you schedule cleanings or let the V3s Pro operate autonomously, you can rely on it to maintain a consistently clean home without worrying about recharging the battery. Daily schedule cleaning. With the ILIFE V3s Pro, you can easily program daily cleaning schedules to fit your needs. Simply set the desired cleaning times, and the V3s Pro will automatically start cleaning at the designated times, even if you're not home. This feature allows you to maintain a clean home effortlessly, ensuring that your floors remain spotless every day without requiring your direct involvement. You can return to a freshly cleaned home at the end of a long day, free from the stress of manual vacuuming. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.